Hello, this is Dr. Jeff. If you're liking this rainbow loom necklace, my daughter made it for me, so proudly wearing it today. And so today, quickly, I wanted to talk about AI gems and using that gem to create tags for YouTube videos. So once again, I have a variety of YouTube videos out there, but typically I don't spend too much time on creating tags. But recently I got some emails saying, hey, they could do this service or whatever. So it made me think about creating more tags for my YouTube videos, but I don't want to spend too much time doing that. So what I did was I created this AI gem that said basically create, if I give you the title and the link to the video, if you can give me ideas for tags separated by commas.
All right, this is a Gemini gem that I made to create tags. So I go ahead and you can see if I were to look at what I put in the description, I titled it tags, and in the instructions, when provided a YouTube link, provide tags that are comma separated for easy upload. So the prompt was as simple as that to create that Gemini gem. And then I just paste in the title for this to generate the tags. Let's say it's stop typing tags, use Gemini gems to create tags in seconds. That's the title. Will it generate for me a lot of tags that have been comma separated? So you can see here, okay, wow. So all these, like I could just copy that and paste it directly in. Of course, you know, AI is a thought partner, so you want to take a look and make sure it is having all the information you want. But you can see in seconds, it has generated many, many tags for you to use.
So that I could just paste it into YouTube. So basically what I do now is just put in the title with the link to the video into the Gemini gem. Then it generates for me different taglines with commas. So all I gotta do is copy, cut, paste into the YouTube tag, and then it's done in less than 1 minute. So I thought I'd share that tip out to you, a very easy way to create tags for your YouTube videos.